So I'm going to show you why we built a quasi camper trailer out of this enclosed trailer. So there it is. Link back to the video of the conversion, not the actual act of, but it in its camping state. And now I'll show you what we've done to the inside. Since we need this for storage, we pulled the bed platform out. Dun da da da. Here's one of the bed platforms. We could take it completely out, but it's just lashed or strapped to the side with some E-track rings. And so that opens up the entire floor all the way up to the V and the cabinets. The other platform we've put up here. So we've used the E-track at the top, right here by the door, to put the other bed platform, and this has the canopy and chairs and the big sleeping bag that we use as a headboard and some other stuff. I think some outdoor rugs, carpets, and all this is just lashed down with, ironically, our clothesline. And I forget what these things are called, but they're a tensioner, tightener. We have moved the air conditioner up. It sits between the fridge and the cabinets, and it's sitting that way for a particular reason, because that is where the electronics are for the 12-volt power for the lights. Dun -dun, when we plug into shore power. And then, actually, oh yes, one more trick. That's the mattress. We just rolled the mattress up and stuck it on top of the counter. So the only things that we've actually removed from the trailer as it sits right now from our last camping trip, I can set that there and it's much more stable. The grill and the tank, a chair, 2 tables because they were floating around in the back. They're usually tied up against the back, and I think 2 milk crates worth of like sheets and towels, milk crate type things, some storage, that portable storage and movable storage that goes under the bed, and that's pretty much it, because this is a bed platform, mattress. All the kitchen-y stuff is in cabinets. Yay! There's the mattress. Got the canopy. Walls for the canopy. So yeah. So it took us about a half hour to kind of arrange this, because we were figuring it out as we go. Now that I have a video history of this, we're going to haul some stuff back. Close a chapter in family history. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.